Hello FIFA fans and welcome back to our channel. Today we're addressing a common problem that many gamers have encountered. FIFA 2023 anti-cheat service encountered the error in each EA or Origin app. It can be really frustrating, but don't worry, we've got some effective methods to help you get back into the game. Now for method 1, we need to run EA or FIFA on an administrator. So for step 1, the first method is pretty straightforward. Right click on your FIFA 2023 game icon or shortcut and select Run Administrator. This can often resolve many permission related issues. Try launching a game and see if the error still persists. Method 2 is repairing EA. So for step 1, we need to open our EA desktop app. So let's go to EA. There we go. And let's open that. And for step 2, navigate to your FIFA 2023 game. It's taking a while to load up. But we have over here our EA 2023 games. Now, we have, for example, I don't have access to my FIFA right now. But what you can do is, you can go over here to step 3 is to click on repair and check for any other options. So we can just click on the settings right here, or you can click on here and we can click manage and we can click on the repair icon if we right click this, if it is on FIFA. Then follow any on-screen prompts to complete the repair process. And step 5, after the repair is finished, try launching your FIFA 2023 again. So for method 3, try running FIFA as administrator. So navigate to your C drive. So let's open up our C drive like so. Then go to our program files. Find the EA games folder. And locate the FIFA 23. Right click on it and select run as administrator. And then try starting the game to see if the error has been resolved. And for method 4, which is reinstalling Origin or EA. So step 1, go to your computer. To your computer's control panel. Then go ahead and select, go to category, then go to uninstall a program. Then find both EA or Origin. So right now I have currently installed Origin only, so we're gonna click uninstall. Then find the, there we go. Okay. So let's go ahead and close our EA app. Then click retry, click uninstall like so. So we're uninstalling the app. Then we can just go to our Google account like so and find EA Electronic Arts homepage. Then download the EA app right here and Origin. There you go. Download your Origin client and then download Origin. So there you have it, FIFA fans. We've explored several methods to tackle the FIFA 2023 anti-cheat service encountered in EA Origin app. This method should help you get back on the virtual pitch in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more gaming tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or other gaming issues you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck and may your FIFA matches be error-free. Until next time, game on.